Hi guys, Lena here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to be responding to a question that I got on YouTube. And the question is, between a hot comb and a hair straightener, which should I buy first? First, I'm going to show you what a hot comb is and what a hair straightener is, and then I'll share my thoughts with you in this video. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you know when next I upload a new video to our channel here on YouTube. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. This right here is a hair straightener, and what a hair straightener does for you is it was created to help you achieve a very sleek and straight hair look. Like this wig I currently have on, I use this hair straightener right here to straighten it. Whereas a hot comb such as this is primarily used to straighten the roots of your natural hair or the hair around the closure area of your wig. What the hair straightener does for you is it provides a straightening effect on areas that your hair straightener would not easily get to, because it's almost impossible for your hair straightener to get to like this area here, like the closure area, to get to the roots of the closure area and get it to straighten it. That's the reason why a hot comb like this was created, to help you achieve that very sleek straight look when you get towards like the root area. So the hot comb is particularly for the closure area, the roots of your hair, parts of your hair where the hair shoots out from the hair follicles. That's what the hot comb right here was created for. And if you have to choose between a hair straightener and a hot comb, which one you think is most important? I'll be honest with you, there are people who buy this hot comb right here for the purpose of straightening their entire hair. But can this hot comb here give you the straightest look that you want for your full head? The answer is no, because it's going to take you a whole lot of time for you to get that very straight look. And most times, when people buy this hot comb to use it to straighten the whole of their hair, most times they will just run through the hair with a hot comb like this, expecting it to straighten the hair perfectly. And in most cases, you will not be able to achieve that perfect straight look. The only way you'll be able to achieve a straight look on a hot comb like this is if you section your hair in really small sections and start to work the hair straightener all through the hair. That is the only way you'll be able to achieve a straight hair look with a hair straightener. And that is going to be a whole lot more difficult and time consuming, unlike when you're working with a hot comb like this. With a hot comb like this, you'll be able to move a lot faster and straighten the entire hair without taking so much time. What the problem is most times with a hot comb such as this is that it's very difficult to get a hot comb that gets very, very hot. I think I've bought around like 3 hot combs now, and I still haven't gotten that hot comb that gives me the desired heat that I really, really want. Like the first hot comb that I purchased was this one right here. It's like the local wooden type of hot comb, and I think this one just gets up to a 220 degrees Celsius heat, so it doesn't get very, very hot as I want it to get. Whereas this other one right here promised me 230 degrees Celsius, but after I tested it out, it still didn't give me that amount of heat that I wanted. So I find myself reverting back to using my hot coiling one, which gets up to like a 230 degrees Celsius, 240 degrees Celsius, because that's the amount of heat that you need to really work on the closure area or get the roots of your hair to be very straight. So because it's very difficult to get a very good quality hot comb at an affordable price, it's just more advisable for you to purchase your hair straightener first, because you can easily get a hair straightener that gets very hot, like a 230 degrees Celsius hair straightener, unlike getting a 230 degrees Celsius hot comb. Getting a 230 degrees Celsius hot comb is very difficult. And you can imagine spending as much as 25,000 naira to get a hot comb, and it doesn't get as hot as you want it to be. And in recent times, to even get a hair straightener, you need to have at least 35,000 to 40,000 naira, because things have become really expensive globally. the cost of importing products, the cost of producing products has become more expensive. So if you don't have a lot of money, I'll just rather that you purchase a hair straightener, because a hair straightener such as this Cloud9 hair straightener right here, you can still purchase something like this for, let's say, 20,000 naira. But if you don't have 20,000 naira to purchase this Cloud9 hair straightener, I'll recommend that you purchase this one right here from Power Max, which is, I think I bought this for 15,000 naira thereabouts. So this is more affordable than the Cloud9 hair straightener, though they literally have the same design. Though I think this one gets hotter than the Power Max hair straightener. And take note, there are lots more products that are available in the market. You don't have to buy the Power Max, you don't have to buy the Cloud9. You just need to look out for a product that gets as hot as you'd want it to be. And the day you're going to purchase the product, I advise that you take a sample hair that you can use to straighten it. You can get you can also take your products with you, like your hair serum and your heat protectant spray, to apply on the hair and then test the product to be sure that it's going to give you the desired styling that you need. If you also decide that you want to buy a hot comb instead of the hair straightener, get to test the product first before you purchase it, if it's allowed at where you're purchasing it from. Or let's say you're not buying the products in store and you won't be able to test out the product, try and ask and search for reviews online about that particular product to see if it's something that would help you achieve the desired look that you're trying to achieve. I hope that this video was able to answer your question. Share any other questions that you have with me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to you in a comment or with a video if I can respond in a video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Until then, bye love, ciao. Yeah, I haven't been mentioning this. Please, if you haven't purchased my ebooks, the links are in the description box. How to start your hair business ebook, and the hair extensions and how to test its quality ebook. The links of both books are in the description box. And if you want to purchase the paperback copy of the How to Start Your Hair Business book, it's available on Amazon. So check the link in the description box to purchase these two books. I love you, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.